Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a trademark with Trademark Elite detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Trademark Elite website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Check your email for a verification link and click it to activate your account. Log into your Trademark Elite account. Navigate to the Trademark search section. Enter the name or logo you want to trademark in the search bar. Review the search results to ensure there are no existing trademarks that conflict with yours. Once you've confirmed your name is available, proceed to the Trademark Applications section. Select the type of trademark you wish to register, standard character mark or design mark. Complete the trademark application form with accurate details about your business and the trademark. Specify the goods or services associated with your trademark. Choose the appropriate classification for your trademark based on the goods or services. Review your information for accuracy. Submit your application, and once your application is submitted, check for confirmation from Trademark Elite. Monitor the application status through your Trademark Elite dashboard. If necessary, respond promptly to any correspondence from the USPTO. After approval, your trademark will be published in the official gazette. Be prepared to address any opposition during the publication period. Once registered, manage and maintain your trademark through periodic renewals. Congratulations, you have successfully registered your trademark with Trademark Elite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.